Welcome back to our second chapter, that is money. This is the second chapter of 11 commerce. So, what do you mean by money first of all? So, money everyone knows now. Whatever things you are purchasing, that is only done with the help of money. But before the evolution of money, barter system was there. Barter system means what it is: when one goods are exchanged for the another goods. This such type of system is called as the barter system. For example, food grains were exchanged for the vegetables, or we can say milk was exchanged for the rice. So these are just an examples we can say. तो ये बार्टर सिस्टम था, जब ये एक गुड्स देकर उस बदले में किस दूसरे गुड्स लिए जाते थे. बट वी कैन सी देयर दैट मेनी डिफिकल्टीज वर फेस ड्यूरिंग द बार्टर सिस्टम. एंड एज वी नो दैट मैन इज एन इंटेलेक्चुअल एनिमल, and inventions of money is one of the most important invention in the world. So man एक intellectual animal है. Man can do a number of discoveries, inventions, and man has done the most important invention on the earth, that is the invention of money. And due to money there are, we can say, many revolutionary changes have taken place. बहुत सारे tremendous changes हुए हैं हमारे आसपास, जो हो चुके ऑलरेडी with the help of money itself. And we can also say that various goods and services can be brought and sold to satisfy the human wants with the help of money. मतलब मनी की हेल्प से हम various goods and services परचेस कर सकते हैं to satisfy our wants. And money is brought in circulation to reduce the difficulties of barter system. So why is the money used in circulation today? Just to reduce the difficulties of barter system. मतलब difficulties reduce करने के लिए barter system के the money is used today. Next one is definition. So if you see, it is very short definition. According to Professor Walker, money is what money does. एकदम simple definition है, but meaning अगर देखा गया तो you may say what ये meaning क्या है, what money is what money does. But एकदम simple सा meaning है. money is what money does का meaning है that we can exchange goods and services, we can purchase or we can satisfy our wants with the help of money itself, or we can do any type of transactions with the help of money. So this meaning is called as the money is what money does. Means we can do anything with the help of money. Now next is difficulties in the barter system. First is problem of double coincidence of wants. So double coincidence of wants क्या हो गया? That it is not always necessary that the person who will exchange the goods with the another person will always be in the need of the good which is exchanged by the person who is standing in front of him. Just I will give you one example. For example, ले लो कि a person is there, a person has the rice with him, and on the other side B person is there and B person has milk with him. And if a person is in the need of milk, so he will give his rice to the person B, he will borrow the milk. But if the person B is not in the need of rice, then what he will do? So such type of situation is called as the problem of double coincidence of want, which was faced in the barter system. Next is lack of common measure of value. कॉमन मेजर ही नहीं था ना, एक मुट्ठी भरकर ऐसे राइस दे दिया, या फिर वी कैन से इन हैंडफुल ऑफ राइस, वी कैन से इन दैट वे दे यूज टू डू द ट्रांजेक्शंस. So if the adult person is there, that adult person palm is, we can say, of huge size as compared to the palm of the child. So common measurement was not there. And now at present if you go to the market, kgs and liters, these are the measurement is there accurate. Even in the case of currency notes, 10 rupee note, 20 rupees note, or 2000 rupees note, so different values are there. But during barter system, common measure was not there. Next is difficulties in storage of goods. So during barter system, the storage of goods was very tough task for them. क्योंकि अगर if anyone will borrow the rice, or if just consider if anyone will borrow the vegetables and he will say I will return back after 1 month and all, so is it possible to store this type of goods? No. So the perishable goods, perishable का meaning है जो जल्दी ख़राब हो जाते हैं जो goods, जैसे vegetables, fruits, milk products. So storage of such type of goods was not that much easy during the barter system. Even next point is indivisibility of certain goods. So indivisibility का meaning है undividable, means which cannot be divided. So certain goods are there which could not be divided only into the two parts, and that's why it created a difficulty in the barter system. Just take an example, cow. अगर किसी ने बोला कि आई विल गिव यू 1 sack of rice, सॉरी आई विल गिव यू हाफ sack of rice, so will that person be able to give only half cow to the person who is offering him half sack of rice? No. So indivisibility of certain goods is not possible only in the barter system. Last one is problem of making deferred payments. Deferred payment का meaning है future payments. So in many cases future payment was very difficult task during the barter system. Just at present, if you take the loan from the bank, if you just agree or on that condition, if you take the loan that I will repay the loan after 5 years, so you will pay the loan in the same condition that cash or your currency notes will not get damaged. But if anyone will say that I want your land for 2 years and in return you take my cow for 2 years, and when I will return you I will return you your land back, you return me my cow back, so will that cow be able to come back to him in the same condition, physical condition? No, cow will not be returned back to him in the same physical condition, because it is problem of making deferred payments. Future payment करना in this cattle, sheeps are there, we can say cattle के जो animals है जैसे sheeps हो गए, cows, buffaloes are there, so it was not that much possible at that time to make the deferred payments. So these are all the difficulties which were faced in the barter system. Even this question can be asked for agree, disagree, so same points you have to write. Thank you.